share with you a recipe of Kaju Kalash. Kaju Kalash is a rich and delicious Indian sweet made with cashews and sugar and decorated with saffron in silver work. Kaju Kalash is an extended version of Kaju Katli which is shaped beautifully and is a great sweet for any occasion. So if you like this recipe, do give a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more wonderful recipes, and don't forget to give your valuable comments and feedback in the comment section below. So now let's start the recipe. So we are taking 140 grams cashews in a blender jar and pulse few times until it turns powder. Do not run the mixture for long time as the cashews begins to release oil and turn lumpy. Now to get the fine powder, sieve it and blend the coarse particles again. Now keep the cashews powder aside and prepare the sugar syrup. So for sugar syrup, take 70 grams of sugar and water 35 ml in a pan and heat it to dissolve, and then we will further cook it till it reaches to one string consistency. To check one string consistency, you can take little drop of syrup in a bowl and then rub it between thumb and index finger and stretch it. If it forms one thread, then turn off the gas. Then add cashew powder in a pan and mix well. Then spread the mixture in a pan to cool down quickly, and once the mixture is bearable to touch but still warm, take it in a plastic sheet and knead well for 2 to 3 minutes to get a smooth dough. Now take small portion of the dough and shape the dough into circle, then halfway through the neck part of the matka. Add 1 to 2 teaspoon milk if dough dries out, and then garnish it with work. Then use the soaked saffron for giving it a beautiful kalash design. And then finally put the almond and pistachios. So Kaju Kalashs are ready. So guys, give this recipe a try and share your experience how it turned out for you. So see you next time with new recipe. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.